So.
And in your kitchen, you said about the drawers?
The drawers.
Yeah.
The drawers. So, those cabinets were put up probably in 76. Mm-hmm. I was in high school, I remember. In 2024, 5, well, all the way through, it got to the point where the cabinets were stuck. The knobs came off. We were trying to put them on. They wouldn't stick. And we had to take a knife and you had to just put it or wedge it in and pop it off so that you can open it. Mm-hmm. There was another drawer that it took 25 minutes to get it back on to get it back on schedule. So when you pull it out, you were like, oh God, I got to go in here and get the turkey baster. Oh God, I got to go in here and get the spatula for the hot dogs out in the barbecue. And you would pull it out and it would be like, okay, one, nope, that didn't work. Then you go pull, nope, that didn't work. Oh, wait, here we go. No, that's not going to work. And you're sitting there for like 15 minutes and you're thinking to yourself, one day, I know I'm going to have this fixed.